at night, in the middle of the woods, what would you do? Would you run for help? Would you beg and plead? I think we're going to play a game. If I find you before you find me, you know what kind of game we're going to play? We're going to play Skin the Cat. And I'm not going to stop until the game is over. Yeah, keep sharing that live, and y'all gonna come to the barbecue. Good. I like that game too. Or better yet, I want to know in the comments below. I want to know if you saw me late at night at your window knocking. Would you be scared out of your mind? Would you call the police? Or maybe we can play hide and seek. But trust me when I say, if I find you, it's not going to end well. And I want you to share this live with 5, 10, 15, 20 people. And that way I have a whole lot more meat to the barbecue. Because you know, us cannibals, we gotta eat. I like flesh and blood. Yeah, keep sharing that live.